What is a work package? What is an activity? You might know the definition of these terms, but do you know the difference between work package and activity? Let's figure it out. Hey, this is Praveen Malik from pmbypm.com, your ultimate resource for the PMP exam prep. I have made it my mission to help you pass the PMP exam in your first try. In this video, I'm going to talk about the definitions of work package and activity. By the end of this video, you'll get to know the difference between these two terms. Stay tuned. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon. This way, whenever I release a new informative video, you'll get an instant notification. Let's start with the definition of a work package. The work defined at the lowest level of work breakdown structure for which cost and duration can be estimated and managed. Now, this is not a straightforward definition. Let's understand this definition. Simply speaking, a work package is a deliverable. You can give this deliverable to somebody, to your client, to senior management, or even to yourself. A work package gives you some sense of satisfaction. That is, you have achieved something, you have created something, you have delivered something. Let's look at an example of a work package. Let's assume we have a software project. The WBS of a software project looks something like this. WBS is derived from scope of a project. To understand what is scope, you can click above to see my previous video. Let's come back to the WBS. At the top of the WBS, you have the project, which is, in our case, a software project. The software project is divided into three phases: requirements, design, and development. The development is further divided into three modules: Module X, Module Y, and Module Z. If we complete one of these modules, it will give us some sense of satisfaction. Client will also be happy that one of the major things has been completed. These modules can be construed as the work packages. A work package is something that gives us some satisfaction that can be construed as a deliverable for somebody. Let's look at an activity. The definition is a distinct scheduled portion of work performed during the course of a project. Again, this definition is slightly difficult to comprehend. Let's look at a picture. So a series of activity culminates into a result, or we can say a series of activities gives us a deliverable or a work package. Let's go back to our software project. So at the bottom of the WBS, we had few work packages. Let's decompose Module X further. So Module X can be divided into coding, DB scripting, and testing. Now these are separate activities. Once these activities are over, we can say Module X is complete. Now that we know the definitions of work package and activity, let's understand the differences. A work package is a small deliverable of a project, whereas an activity is a means of creating that deliverable. A work package is a result or outcome of an endeavor. Activity is a single step towards that endeavor. A work package fulfills a portion of project that provides some satisfaction to the project stakeholders. An activity may or may not provide any satisfaction. A work package has a tangible value and it is generally handed over to the project stakeholders. An activity cannot be handed over to the project stakeholders. A work package is generally defined using a noun. For example, Module X. An activity is generally defined using a verb. For example, testing. Let's look at these differences with the help of a diagram. This diagram clearly depicts the difference between work package and activity. A series of activities culminates into an outcome. The outcome is a work package. I have a question for you. What's the difference between a work package and a milestone? I'm curious to know. Please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. You can follow me on various social media channels. The links are in the description below. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.